Hi dear friends, how are you? After release update, this is my first video. In this video, I am tell you what is the day this animal update released. Example guys, in this update we get elephant. Then do you remember guys when we get horse? And guys, in this video I am get mates for all animals. Are you ready? Okay then let's go. Number 1, getting wolf mate. Guys, playable animal wolf released in 2018, January 22 in the first Wildcraft release. Okay then let's get wolf mate. Right guys, now we got new wolf mate. Wait, what? That mean? Second animal fox. Number 2, getting fox mate. Animal fox also released in 2018 year. Look like wolf, fox also stayed first released in Wildcraft. What's good?
Tung 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 sahur.
Wow, that's a genius idea. Okay, let's go to next one. Number 3, getting lynx mate. Guys, also animal lynx released in 2018 in first Wildcraft release. Day is January 22, fox, lynx and wolf released.
Nope.
Number 4, getting bear mate.
So skibidi, you're so phenomenal.
Some of guys, bear update released in 2018, September 22.
Oh, I just want to be your sigma.
Now we get bear mate. Now time to give a name.
Ballerina cappuccina.
Problem is guys, I don't remember any good name.
Bruh.
Okay then guys, let's go to get lion mate. Animal lion released in 2019, May 24 update.
Raul.
Getting cheetah mate. In Wildcraft, animal cheetah released in 2019, August 6 update. Getting horse mate. Guys, most people don't know this secret. Animal horse released in 2018. You not believe this guys, after release Wildcraft, first animal update is horse. First update map is farm map and the first update animal is horse. And guys, second animal update is bear. Right, now we're going to get eagle mate. Animal eagle released in 2018, December 13 update. Yes guys, Christmas update in 2018. crocodile meant. Crocodile playable animal released in 2019 in Christmas update December 18. Right guys, we got crocodile. Let's give name for it.
K.A. Bombardino Crocodilo.
Next we're going to get tiger mate. Playable animal tiger released in 2020 August 10 in summer update. And also wild jungle map released in this day. Gorilla mate. So guys, playable animal gorilla released in 2022 in September 29 in Halloween update. And guys, Chinese forest map released in this day. Wait, did you see that when we get mate, it's disappearing? But guys, after few seconds, it's again respawned. Let's give name for it.
Scimpanzini Bananini.
Next we get kangaroo mate. Animal kangaroo released in 2023 August 16 in summer update. And Australia map released in same day. The last one, getting elephant mate. Playable animal elephant released in 2025 June 13 in summer update.